So I just went out to the pharmacia, the drugstore, and masks just sold out as always. So whenever you go to a drugstore, they always have this sign on the window that says masks are out. So yeah, can't buy any masks. Maybe I'll find one in Venice, buy from a Bangladesh vendor. Anyway, northern Italy is in lockdown completely. So there's a movement restriction. People are not supposed to go beyond the border. Like you can't go to another region from region to region unless it's urgent business. And I don't know. I wanted to shoot something in the city, show you how it is like, how the normal people's life are like. From what I've seen these days, people are living a very normal life. Like in the city center in Mestre, people are just walking around and going to the bar, going to the cafe. Like even morning market, there's still morning market. Like they sell fresh vegetables and flowers and meat and fish and all these things. They still have this markets in the city center, and there are a lot of people there. And I was wondering what Italian people are not scared of this thing. Like they're not concerned at all. They still go to the market, like mass assembly kind of thing. It's absurd to see that. As the number of cases in Italy skyrocketing to right now is almost 6,000. It's crazy. People just don't take it as seriously as they should, I guess. Today I wanted to shoot something, but it's Sunday, so there's not gonna be any activity on Sunday anyway. So maybe I'll shoot something tomorrow, Monday. We'll see how it looks like in the city center. Tomorrow I was supposed to work, but then our store are closed for weekend and today as well for this new situation. The government issued this new policy that our northern cities we are on lockdown. So yeah, that's the development, and that's it. I'll try to find a mask. That's it. All right, thanks for watching, and see you very soon.